Today, my topic is what is the difference between the jig and fixture. First, I am telling you what is the jig. The jig is a holding device which is used to guide and locating the cutting tool. Second number is fixture. The fixture is also holding a device which is used for guide the tool but not locate the cutting tool. So these are the, you can see these are the figure. This is the drawing of drilling jig. This is also drawing of drilling jig. This is a welding fixture. So welding fixture means the jig is a holding device. It means that this is a workpiece. The workpiece is held by the different type of the metal pieces and guide the cutting tool. Guide the cutting tool means drilling. So drill is guide. So with the help of a drill bush. So jig locate the cutting tool. So locate the cutting tools in a process. The drill is locate with the help of a drill base, drill bosses. Second number is jig come in contact with the cutting tool. So jig is, this is a jig base plate, a box plate, and uh, drilling bush is contact with a drill. Second number is in a fixture. The fixture does not come in contact with the cutting tool. So you can see the figure. This is a welding fixture. So in this welding fixture, there is no any cutting tool are used to locate the components. To locate the component. Third number is jig are more expensive than the fixtures. So different type of the components are make with the help of a different type of the machine, grinding machine, milling machine, lathe machine. So this jig are very expensive compared to the welding fixture. So jig and welding fixture. Design the jig and fixture and is generally depends upon the different shape and size of the components and what is your requirement. So these are the figure of the drilling jig. This is also drilling jig. This figure is a welding fixture. Fourth number is design is very complicated than the fixture. So this drawing, this design, the design generally depends upon the nature of the components and what is your requirement. For example, this is a rectangular piece. In this case, this is a circular piece. The design of the fixture, design of the jig generally depends upon the size and shape and what your requirements is depends. And it is also a fixture is also depends the what type of the shape and size of the components. So in this case, the fixture, the design is very simple. The design is very simple of the fixture is compare the jig. Fifth number is jig can mostly use in the drilling, reaming and taping. So in this jig, so jig are used drilling. So this is called the drilling. In the place of the drill, the tape are used the taping jig and reaming taping and reaming are used for reaming jig. These are the jig are mostly used in a drilling, reaming and taping, etc. The fixture are used in milling, planing, welding and broaching. The fixture are generally used for the milling purpose, planing purpose, welding and broaching purpose. This figure is display here the welding fixture. Number 6 is no additional device are used in it. No additional device are used in the drilling jig. In a jig, there is no any additional devices are used to hold the workpiece. Only the clamping device and bushings and nut and bolt and base plate, top plate and guide plate are also used to locate to clamping the workpiece. In this case, in a fixture, the additional device are used in it. The additional device are used to hold and locate the component, just like a toggle. Toggle are clamp the workpiece. This is the other side plates is also guide and locate the guide and support the workpiece to performing the welding in a proper way. The fixture is play a very important role to avoid the welding defect. To avoid the welding defect means the distortion. So without clamping, if you are perform the welding, there are so many chance to bend the plate. So this bending the plate during the welding process, this process is called the welding defect, distortion. This is a distortion defect. So the distortion defect is avoided with the help of a welding fixture. So the workpiece is holded and clamped by the toggles, and the supporting plates are used to hold the workpiece. 7 number is jig is usually light in weight. The jig, this is a jig. The jig is light in a weight compared to the welding fixture. The fixture is heavier in weight. The weight of this fixture is very heavy compared to the jig. Number 8, the jig can be held in a position by the hand. The jig can be holded on a fixed on a bench vise and other places with the help of a manually by the hand. So the fixture is fixed on a table. The fix is on a fixed on a table, machine table, due to the heavy weight. Due to the heavy weight, so jig and fixture. Why it is needed for the jig and fixture in industries? The jig and fixture is play a very important role to reduce the to increase the mass production. First number. Second number is to the jig and fixture is also used to reduce the overall cost of the company. And jig and fixture is third number is with the help of the jig and fixture to control the dimension, great good finishing on the workpiece, and different type of the identical parts can be produced in a one time with the help of a jig and fixtures. So jig and fixture play a very important role to increase the mass production, to control the finishing, and also to reduce the company cost. I hope that you will like my lecture. Thank you very much.